Hi, Faith. Are you touching your sister Hannah? She's really knocked out. Are you looking at your mama? Yeah. Yeah, I see you with your eyes open.
It's your sister. Yeah. Are you gonna go to sleep like your sister?
Yep, looks like everybody's asleep except the mommy. Listen to those ocean waves, Faith. Put your feet in the sand. There you go. Aww.
It's your sister.
Three amigos. She's really trying to snuggle up to her.
Yes, again, wake up and play with me.